Our sponsors are Public Law Equal Union, Folks Money Staffers, New Net Concepts, NSM, Tales of Hawaii, Megacor, Hawaii UKC, Bullet Feed Store, Ions, check out all vendors, see what kind of shirts they represent, who's got the best design. Again, thanks for supporting the first annual Specialty Bullies Show. We're waiting for different Southside Bullies in. Hawaii representing all islands. From Kauai to Big Island, all here today.
Industry were provided an opportunity to nominate in any of the 17 categories that we'll be giving these awards to. Now those nominees were later on put onto an online ballot and the public was able to choose. So if you didn't know, now you know for next year. At this time, I would like to welcome Lieutenant Governor Duke Iona to say a few words and to present the awards. Please welcome Lieutenant Governor Duke Iona.
Well, good evening, everybody. Aloha. I want to say thanks, first of all, to all of the sponsors of this exhibit. But I want you all to please recognize, and if you can, to as best as you can, to solicit, if you can, to contribute to all of our small vendors, our small businesses who are here today, whether they're selling T-shirts, whether they're selling caps, whether they're selling health products, whatever it may be, please visit them because it is about growing it local and buying it local. Now, in regards to MMA, I want you to know that I am a supporter of MMA. I want to make sure that we can get MMA here in Hawaii. There's a couple of things that are going our way. First and foremost, as it was mentioned by Sean, the sport is growing. And it's growing by leaps and bounds. Second of all, we got the fan base right here. All of you coming to this exhibit today, you are confirming the fact that MMA is a sport here in Hawaii, and we have the fans to support it. Third, and this actually could be number one, we got the participants. We got the fighters that have been recognized worldwide. We got our own champ here in our own backyard, BJ Penn, and everybody else that is following him and his footsteps. And I want you to know that that's a huge, huge advantage that we in the state of Hawaii have. I also want to emphasize the fact that BJ and everybody else that is participating, I've had the opportunity to meet with some of our fighters, and I want to tell you that they have the right attitude, they have the right mentality. They know that it's not only a sport, but it's something in regards to our overall health and well-being. It's about promoting our family values that we have here in Hawaii. It's about promoting the sport. It's about promoting ohana. So we have it all here in Hawaii, and I'm going to do everything in my power to make sure that we get more matches here in Hawaii so we can help our economy out, but more importantly, so we can promote this great sport of MMA fighting. And I want you to know that it's much more than just going to take a